You could have taken my help for the presentation. At least the presentation would have been proper. But no, Mithai, the genius, doesn't need anyone's help. She leads her life on her own terms. She can handle everything by herself. That's it. Listen, Mithai, know one thing very clearly. If we get this order, then you have to do as I say. Okay? Do you understand?
I have understood, but let's get the order first.
If my assumptions are correct, then the order will be bagged by Siddheshwar Modak for sure. I mean, the dish that you made my boss taste will make him fight for you at the meeting.
Oh Lord. Lord Grandfather's grandson's words should come true. Everybody should feel proud. Please, please help.
Dad? Tea.
Appa, ask Siddharth to come here. He had an argument at the office today. I don't have a good feeling about this.
I'm afraid he might get into trouble later. His entire team was present. He shouted in front of everyone. This never happened earlier. His colleagues never saw Siddharth in this state before. I myself was scared.
Tell me something, Amrish. What did Siddharth do wrong? He deserved to be pulled by his collar for what Aditya Agrawal did to Neepa. No, Dad. He should have been slapped.
Appa, that is a corporate setup. Sid preaches everyone to be professional. So how it's different now?
Somu, don't always keep criticizing Siddharth. What would you do if you were present there? There would have been bloodshed. Don't you remember? A guy had said something to Appa when she was young. 2 days later, you went and beat him up. Your blood runs in his veins. All of you are short-tempered.
You remember that, Sushma? Thank God he had a calm and composed wife like Aarti. Otherwise, who knows what would have happened.
All of you are laughing. You are laughing for something I did long ago. Times have changed now. We used to run our own business. Dad, your eldest grandson has a prestigious job. He just can't get angry and raise his hand on someone in that kind of a setup. I heard that he might get the Best Employee Award. What if he gets into some trouble?
Uncle, no one needs to worry about my career. I've taken care of my career and I'll do the same today as well. Anyway, Grandpa, my boss is coming. He has some queries about the order.
What? Is he coming here? What? Does that mean that we got the order, Amu?
Mithai. Mithai, I'm so happy that I can't describe it. Thank you. Believe me, because of you. Only because of you we'll get the order. Yes. I have a strong intuition. You will see, Samresh will also change gradually with time. And you know what? I'm eagerly waiting for that day.
What are you saying, Aunt Appa? What is the relation between getting the order and a change of father's heart? Our business will grow if we get the order, Aunt Appa. That will be enough. But Uncle, Ghosh hasn't explained clearly why he is coming here.
I'll go and escort my boss here.
Mithai! Sushma! Arrange for some sweets for Mr. Ghosh. He's bringing such great
Dad,
news.
hold on. Why are you getting so excited even before getting the news?
Hey.
Oh, hey, welcome, Mr. Ghosh. Please take a seat.
Mr. Modak,
I really don't have much time. I'm in hurry. I thought of informing everything on the phone, but then I changed my mind and decided to inform everything in person on my way back home. Mithai, the tasty dishes you prepared and your idea is appreciated by everyone.
Yes.
But a problem has been raised.
Mr. Ghosh, please have a seat. Let's sit down and talk. Please come.
Please have a seat.
Yes, sir. Please have a
come.
seat. Please sit.
Come, sir. Mr. Ghosh, if the jury liked the idea and the taste of the dessert, then the rest of the problems can be taken care of.
Grandpa, actually, what sir is trying to say is Siddheshwar Modak Group is falling back at the presentation part.
Mr. Ghosh. Well, I was saying, Mr. Ghosh, can we present the same item in a new way?
How is that possible, Samresh? How can Mr. Ghosh create that opportunity for us?
Grandpa,
Yes.
actually, what sir is trying to say is that if the presentation and the decor is not proper, then the guests won't appreciate it. So, there can be a problem if the order is given to Siddheshwar Modak Group. What say, sir? Am I right?
Oh, that means. That means. We failed. Right, Uncle Ghosh?
How could you even think like that, Mithai? That your husband would let you fail? You have made him a hero at PCG by getting his laptop repaired. Won't he do anything in return?
What exactly is the matter, Mr. Ghosh?
There was too much argument happening in the meeting. Then I called Siddharth right away. Our senior bosses from Bangalore and Mumbai are very much impressed with Siddharth's work. They are under the impression that Siddharth can do everything. Your grandson has never shown any interest in your business. So I had assumed that he wouldn't show any interest further. But surprisingly, he assured everyone that he would handle the execution personally. That's it. Everyone became assured. The contract is yours. You will receive the confirmation today.
Sid, I never have been so happy in my life ever before. What can I tell you? Sushma, can you just imagine?
Mr. Siddheshwar Modak, Samresh, I'm in hurry. I must leave now.
Yes, of course. Mr. Ghosh, today you have given us an amazingly happy news. Thank you so much.
It's
Come.
okay.
Please come.
Okay.
Dad,
Yes.
let me go to the confectionery then.
Okay.
We need to think properly, discuss and decide how to execute this order. Please inform everyone that no one should lose their temper and shout at others.
Grandpa, if this has been addressed to me, then let me make one thing very clear to everyone. During project execution, Siddharth Modak is a thorough professional. That's why my company trusts me so much. Things have been executed exactly according to my plan. Everybody should remember that. Please tell everyone about this.
There. We are doomed, Mithai.
Yes, that's what I can see. Again a project. Oh Lord, please help.
Dad, I'm counting myself out of this order execution. Because your grandson has no idea of business. But he's warning everybody from the beginning that everybody has to do as he says, and I fear we might have a fallout. I don't want that. Besides, there's a lot of competition in our business, but he doesn't have any idea about that. But he thinks whatever he plans will be the right one. So, you and Amu handle this. I'm counting myself out.
Samresh, don't start it again. We just received a good news.
No, Dad. No. It's better this way rather than getting into trouble later.
Grandpa, I've taken up a challenge with Aditya Agarwal. That's why everything should be perfect.
May I come in?
Mr. Agarwal, what brings you here?
Greetings, uncle. I am here to congratulate you. I have brought something special. It's our kind of sweet. Just try it.
We will definitely eat this. You have brought it with love. Hey, Mithai, please offer some Monohara to Mr. Agarwal, our kind of sweets. Please have a seat.
Oh, come on, uncle. You have bagged such a huge order. Only this sweet won't do. You have to treat me with some other sweet. I have to say something if you don't mind. First point, you won't be able to handle such a huge party. Listen, we are old friends. You can sublet if you want. I mean, you can give us a part of your order. Second point, I heard that there has been a squabble between Sid and Adi at office. This is very sad. Very sad. They are like old friends, aren't they? The unfortunate incident that happened. I mean, the one involving Mr. Amresh's daughter. I thought of coming here to talk, but I couldn't come.
Mr. Agarwal, let me tell you one thing very clearly. Your son should have been jailed for what he did to my niece. Just because my mom believes in old values, So we didn't file a case since she didn't want it. Don't think we have forgotten the matter. Now let's talk about your proposal. That Modak family won't be able to handle the party order is your misconception.
This is the problem with you people. They are very emotional. And in business. And in business, emotion has no place, Mr. Samresh. Look, it's a huge contract. We do have experience, but you people don't. We will do some parts, and you do the rest, and we both will earn profit.
What is he saying? Why is he saying all this? Dad won't be able to control his anger for long.
Understand? What I'm saying, your item won't be appreciated at corporate parties. No.
Mr. Agarwal,
Samresh, don't lose your cool. Mithai, please come here, my child. Mr. Agrawal, let me introduce you to my granddaughter-in-law, Mithai. I am a confectioner. She is also the same, a confectioner. A confectioner of great caliber. And he is my grandson. Convent educated, all sorts of etiquette. If these two join hands, then not only in corporate parties, but the whole country will savor our Indian sweets. So for us, this is not just a corporate party of PCG. It's the fight for honor for Indian sweets. Let's see whether we can win.
I would have cancelled all the sweets in the meeting shown. But Sir called Sid up at the last moment. I just don't understand. Did Sid become the blue-eyed boy by getting a project worth rupees 2,250 million for PCG? Everybody's only talking about Siddharth. Is he the only employee of the company who fulfilled all the responsibilities?
Tosha, when was Siddharth even interested in the sweets business? He never showed. He always says to close the business. I just don't understand anything. Siddharth is changing so much. Who is the reason behind? Is it Mithai?
Please, Shom. Please. Please don't mention Mithai in my presence. I just can't tolerate it. I have no idea what qualities Sir saw in her. In fact, Mr. Modak, I really don't know what qualities Mr. Modak saw in that rustic girl. I really don't know. But Shom, at the end of the day, we are losing every time. And Mithai is winning. How can rustic sweets which she made be displayed at a huge corporate party of a company like PCG? Shom, I'm in charge of food and beverages of this company. I'll be the one who will be criticized. I hope you understand. I just can't think of the consequences. Because so many other guests will be present at this party and not just Mrs. Nair or Mr. Joshi.
Even I can't imagine what is happening. Mithai is gradually becoming more important, Tarsha. Hey, by the way, you told me that Agrawal would contact me. What happened to that?
He will come. Senior Agrawal will come. Aditya Agrawal messed up everything by losing his cool in the office today. Senior Agrawal had called up. He probably wants to get a 50-50 share of the PCG contract with Siddheshwar Modak.